Yeah, it's snowing big time. All right, guys, so I got the transmission mount in, and the obviously the cross member is done. Transmission mount is in. The engine and transmission are no longer on jack stands, so now to move on to bigger and better things. I got that stuff finally figured out. It's all done. The next objective after that is going to be, I'm thinking fuel, and yeah, we're just gonna work on fuel next. Fuel and getting the intake in, getting all the gaskets for the engine. That's gonna be the next move. I'm still not completely sure which intake I'm going to use yet. I have two here. Let me see if I can show those to you. The newer style intake that came on the Envoy 5.3 liter, the aluminum one. I have this one, which is the newer of the two. I don't have a throttle body for it, but it is the more modern intake manifold. And then I have this one, which is the older style, but it has the return style fuel rails, which a lot of people seem to like those. I can't remember exactly why, but it does have the throttle body and everything on it already. So I was kind of leaning towards getting this one on there, but kind of torn because apparently this one outflows this one. So, but you guys feel free to chime in, let me know what you think. I'll show you guys the engine and transmission, the mount for the transmission real quick. All right, so that's the adjustable transmission mount that I just showed you guys in the last video. It worked out nicely for me because obviously you can see how the cross member is just a little bit further back than the transmission. Well, that transmission mount allows me to slide the transmission mount. Well, it allows for the engine and transmission to be a little bit more forward and still work with this cross member. It's polyurethane mount. It's all snugged in. Everything's buttoned up, bolted in. Just got to start, getting fuel set up and everything like that.
So you like my YouTube channel? Give it a thumbs up in the comments below, okay? Push thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing.